Son of a... Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Based on my O-Meals video with the pizza, I wanted to comment below in the comments in the comment. They said something about frozen pizza, and I thought, I wonder if you could bake a frozen pizza on a Trangia stove. Unfortunately, I'll show you. Yeah, so I didn't bring the larger bowl, so I don't know if it's going to bake because it's not going to be able to trap the heat in. Son of a biscuit. So I got the simmer ring on because I figured right off the bat the simmer ring would keep it from getting too hot. I don't know if this is going to work now. I mean, the idea is, I think it's pretty sound, but I didn't bring the second bowl. I only brought the smaller one. Damn it. Well, that's disappointing. I never bothered checking the size of the pizza versus the size of the bowl. So, if you attempt this yourself, check the sizing. Yeah, I didn't know. So what I ended up doing is I took the rack off, and I just set the pizza right on the pan. I left the simmer ring in place, and I just put the bowl over it to see if that would, at least if it gets hot enough for me to eat. So I've actually got a second pizza too. I've got a microwave pizza, one of those. Well, maybe I should get it and show you. Yeah, so the first pizza I got, it was just a cheapy pepperoni 7-inch Roma original, which was like, I think $1.99. I was looking for specifically the cheapest pizza I could get. And then I just got one of these $3 microwave, 3-minute microwave pizzas. And I kind of wanted to see the difference. So I'm just going to let the stove run, see what it looks like. Maybe I'll get lucky and it will still bake. Who knows? I didn't want to leave the simmering, take the simmer ring out, so. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling a little heat on the top. Maybe I'll get lucky and it will bake. Let's see what happens. Also, on a side note, the first time that I've ever been here, a couple just walked their dogs through, and they were really friendly. And thankfully, I didn't have a fire or anything going. I just had the Trangia set, and they asked me what I was doing, and I lifted the lid and showed them. I'm like, well, I'm trying to bake a pizza. And they said, oh, cool. I'm like, yeah. I told them, I pointed the camera. I said, I make YouTube videos, and I gave them my channel business card. I actually brought some this time. So, I got my card. So I gave him a card. Thank you, Oregon Mike. So, alright, well, they're coming back, so I'll kill them. I'm starting to wonder if I'm going to even need the, where's my hand grabber? I'm going to need that simmer ring at all. Because, oven, pizzas require a pretty hot oven, but I didn't want to burn it either. So. Ow. It's throwing off more heat, so maybe we'll try that. If the pizza burns, it burns. I mean, it would be nice if it didn't, but it's not like I've done this before, so we'll just see what happens. Alright, so what I'm thinking is, if it's going to be on full blast, maybe I'll put the rack back under it. I think it already burnt the bottom. Where the hell's my grabber? Oh, there it is. Okay. Give that a try. Alright. Kind of just checking this thing off and on. I think it's thawed out all the way. Some of the top feels a little doughy though. It's pretty burnt. But the outside edge is okay, I guess. Damn it, the bowl problem. The problem is I think the bowl is not trapping in the heat. I think the thing's gone out anyway. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this a bust. And I need to put tongs in here too. That's something I got to do. I got tongs in the car and I need to get them in this set. So I'm going to, let's see. Let's at least take a taste. Unfortunately, it's not hot all the way through. So, alright. So what I'm going to do next time is, so for one thing, next time I'm going to bring the bigger bowl, so I'll actually be able to trap the heat in. I think the stove worked with the simmering okay, but I don't think there was enough heat inside to cook the top or melt the cheese or thaw it out all the way. I will say though, in this condition it still tastes better than the Bridgeford pizzas. So, well, you know, if you don't come out and try things, you don't know how it's how it's going to work. So I'm not going to cook the other pizza until I get the other bowl. So I'm going to do this on another day. And let me know what you think in the comments. Yay, nay. And as always, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.